right, you are at the very end of your writing for the most part here. You have a rough draft. This is a rough draft. Now, there's no editing done to this. There has been no paragraphs created. So now you need to go back in and create your paragraphs and make sure that everything is how you kind of want it. Here, you're going to read it and make sure it kind of flows kind of the way you want it. If you don't like it here, please don't change anything on this page. Again, if you click in there, you'll notice that there's some really funny words in there, but it has nothing to do with this. I'm putting some code in there that tells the computer, tells the program to put your words that you typed other places in here. So these words are really just they're fake words. They're not really words. Those are words you typed someplace else. It's just showing you those words. You'll have to do a little bit of voodoo to make those words show up, and we'll talk about that in the next video. So this is all you need to do on this particular slide, is just read your rough draft. And you might want to make some edits here, because it might not be everything that you hope it is or is not. I mean, do you like it in general? Maybe you don't. And then you would have to go slide over here and go into your different steps to change the step. Or change the green boxes. If you don't like your introduction here, well, go to your introduction step and change it. If you do not like your transitions in your thesis, go to your thesis paragraph and change some of those. These are your steps. You can go to any one of those steps and it'll change what is shown here. Change it here, not here. Don't touch this. Don't touch this. You can change, for example, you go to your thesis and you can change your thesis. You can change your transitions there if you don't like it. Okay? The transitions are what you change. These dark green boxes. Don't change anything else. If it's teal, if it's bright lime green, don't change it. It's only the forest green boxes that you change. Okay? If you don't like your reasons and you want to redo some of those reasons, change the green boxes. Don't change, you can change these. And it will change. It will change if you are changing these. If you change the green, it'll change this. But don't touch this. Go back here and change those. Please, 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 don't do anything to this screen. You'll cause me an untold amount of headache to try to fix it. And I don't want to try to fix it. I just want you to don't touch it. Follow directions, please. Alright, so now that you've read it over, and if you've made any changes back here, great. Reread it, see if you like it. If not, go back. Make your changes again. Change the green boxes. Read it. I'm going to kind of leave it here because I kind of read it through as I was creating it. So I'm okay with it because on the next step, this is where the heavy lifting starts. So I will see you on the editing that rough draft. This is just you reading it through. Now we're going to step into step 12, editing that rough draft, questions. We're on our last step, and it's probably our longest step. It'll probably take 2 or 3 days for you here. This should only just take a few moments. Okay? So you should now be here, and this should have taken you at least probably 10 to 12 days. 10 days, 2 weeks, maybe 3, because that 4th week you should be, because we're giving you 1 month to write this out. Okay? So, questions, concerns, let me know. See you soon.